Are you tired of struggling with multiple bags on your camping trips, grocery runs, or sports events? Well, I've got just the solution for you. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to 3 incredible collapsible folding wagons that will make your life so much easier. Stay tuned until the end to find out which wagon is the best fit for your needs. Don't forget, the best prices are linked in the video description and the first comment. And before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews. Let's start with our third pick, the Navity Collapsible Folding Wagon S2. This isn't just any wagon, it's your new best friend for camping trips, grocery runs, sports events, and everything in between. First off, let's talk about convenience. The S2 folds down to a super compact size, making it a breeze to store in your trunk or closet without taking up much space. And yet, when unfolded, it offers a whopping 4 cubic feet of storage capacity, able to carry up to 220 pounds. That's right, no more struggling with multiple bags or making endless trips back and forth. Now, onto the durability. This wagon is built with a high-quality alloy steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, ensuring it stands up to heavy use. Plus, its double-bearing design means it rolls smoothly over any terrain, be it mud, grass, or curbs. You'll love how easy it is to maneuver, even with a full load. But the best part? It comes with 2 drink holders. Yes, you read that correctly. Perfect for those moments when you need your hands free but still want your coffee or water within reach. So, if you're tired of dealing with wrist pain and the hassle of carrying heavy items, the Navity Wagon S2 is your perfect solution. It's strong, stylish, and so easy to use, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next up, our second pick. Let me introduce you to the YouTube Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart, the ultimate game changer for all your outdoor and everyday hauling needs. First off, let's talk about those big wheels. They're made of durable PP plus PVC and can roll smoothly over rocks, roots, and curbs with ease. This wagon handles up to 220 pounds, so you can load it up without a second thought. Perfect for carrying all your gear in one go. Now, let's get into the details that make this wagon truly special. The heavy-duty steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric provide a robust and reliable structure, ensuring it can handle whatever you throw at it. Whether it's your camping cooler, sports equipment, or groceries, this wagon's got you covered. Worried about storage? Don't be. The YouTube wagon folds down to a super compact size, making it easy to tuck away in your car trunk, closet, or garage. Plus, the handy pull tabs and foldable handle make setup and storage a breeze. And the little extras? Locking front wheels for safety, side pockets for smaller items, and a flexible handle for easy maneuverability. This wagon isn't just practical, it's your new best friend for all adventures. So, whether you're heading to the beach, the park, or just tackling a big shopping trip, the YouTube Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart is here to make your life easier and more fun. And finally, our top pick. Let me introduce you to the COLLAPSIBLE 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon, your new go-to for all those beach trips, camping adventures, and garden tasks. Trust me, this wagon is a game changer. First off, let's talk capacity. This heavy-duty wagon can handle up to 330 pounds. With a deep, roomy interior, it's perfect for hauling everything from picnic supplies to sports gear. And the best part? It folds down to an incredibly compact size, making it easy to store in your car trunk or closet. Plus, it comes with a handy carry-on bag. Maneuvering this wagon is a breeze thanks to its 7-inch big all-terrain wheels. Whether you're rolling over grass, gravel, or sand, the wheels ensure a smooth ride. The sturdy metal frame and 600D Oxford fabric make it durable and reliable, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. Setting it up? A piece of cake. No assembly required, just unfold and go. And with features like 2 mesh cup holders, you can keep your drinks safe and within reach. But wait, there's more. The COLLAPSIBLE wagon also prioritizes sustainability, being made with recycled materials and safer chemicals. It's not just good for you but also for the environment. So, whether you're planning a family outing or just need help with your garden, the COLLAPSIBLE 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon is here to make your life easier and more fun. Did you like any of these collapsible folding wagons? If so, make sure to add them to your shopping cart, even if you're not planning to buy right now. This way, you won't forget which wagons interested you the most in this video. Remember, the links to get the best prices are in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.